Hi everybody, welcome to week 4 of physics. This week we're going to be moving into projectile motion, which is just kinematics again, but instead of just one line, like straight up and down, or just moving in a straight line horizontally, now we're going to talk about projectile motion. And projectile motion, I mean, the basics is just, whoop, that. So that's what we're working on this week. And it is really important this week that you move through the activities in the order in the module. So I really want you to start with the predictions that are at the very top. So make your predictions, think about the situations, and then go check your predictions, see if you were right, and then go into the other videos that I've got in the practice problems. There's no lab this week. So there's no good way, even with the lab kits, of doing the projectile motion lab at home. And I figured you could use a break for, just 1 week off of lab. So instead of the lab, there is a projectile motion simulation activity, but you won't turn it in unless you want me to check your answers. So that gives you a little bit of again, it's a tool, and it'll say it's going to be much quicker than doing a lab report. So there's that instead of the lab. We've got another science news this week, and be careful because with the science news activities, with those discussion posts, the fourth thing changes every time. So the first 3 are always the same, a citation, give me a short summary, very short, like 1 sentence, and the why did you choose it piece. So those 3 are going to be the same every time. The fourth piece of the assignment changes every week. So make sure you look at the discussion post so you can see what is the assignment really. What is that fourth part for each of those different weeks? And again, in the assignment, the Word document or the page about science news, there's a rubric that tells you how I do the grading. So it'll give you an example of something, a good, a passing, and a minor error or a major error, and then nothing at all. So that's what we've got for week 4. I think that's all of my notes. Once this week's done, we'll be 25% of the way through the semester. So amazing, right? It is actually moving. We are getting through. Now I just have to, keep ahead of you, because at the beginning of class, I was 2.5 weeks ahead. I had everything ready to go for 2.5 weeks. Now I'm half a week ahead, but I'll keep working on it too. So hope you have a good, and again, follow everything in order for week 4, because that's going to be really important for the concepts that I've got here. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.